സീന ഇന്ന്
ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ 40th.
ഇന്ന് ബർത്ത്ഡേ അല്ലയോ? 40ാമത്തെ.
നാളെ
നാളെ 16-ാം തീയതി. ഇപ്പോഴും കൊച്ചു പെണ്ണിന്റെ മാതിരത്തെ കൊട്ടും കറങ്ങി അടിച്ച് നടക്കുകയാണല്ലോ. 2 പിള്ളേരുടെ തള്ളയാ. 40 വയസ്സായി. ഇന്നെന്തുവാ പരിപാടി?
ഓ ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ, ഗോഡ് ബ്ലസ് യു. 40 വയസ്സിന് ആയി നോക്കണം.
ഓക്കെ, ഹാപ്പി 40th ബർത്ത്ഡേ.
ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ ശ്രീന, ഗോഡ് ബ്ലസ് യു. എനിക്ക് ശ്രീനെ കുറിച്ച് ഒരു 2 വാക്ക് പറയണം. എൻ്റെ മമ്മി മരിച്ച അന്ന് രാവിലായിരുന്നു ഷീനെ ഞാൻ ആദ്യമായിട്ട് കാണുന്നത്. അത് ദൈവത്തിനൊരു വലിയ പ്ലാനായിരുന്നു. എനിക്ക് ദൈവം നടത്തിയ വിധങ്ങൾ എൻ്റെ വീട്ടിൽ ഒരു നല്ലൊരു മരുമകളായിട്ടും നല്ലൊരു മോളായിട്ടും ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഭവനത്തിൽ കടന്നു വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഇന്നത്തെ ഈ നിമിഷം വരെ അവൾ ഞങ്ങൾക്കൊരു നല്ലൊരു ബ്ലെസ്സിങ് ഉള്ള ഒരു മരുമകളായിട്ട് തന്നെയാണ് അന്ന് ഞങ്ങളുടെ ജീവിതത്തിലുള്ള ഒരു മോളായിട്ടും ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി എല്ലാം അവർ ചെയ്തു തന്നതിനോർത്ത് ഞാൻ ദൈവത്തിന് സ്തോത്രം പറയുക. ഈ ബർത്ത്ഡേ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ദൈവം തന്നായിട്ടും ഇന്ന് വരെ നിന്നെ നിർത്തിയത് ദൈവത്തിൻ്റെ ബ്ലെസ്സിങ്ങാണ്. എത്രയോ പ്രയാസങ്ങളും കഷ്ടങ്ങളും ഒക്കെ ജീവിതത്തിൽ കടന്നു വന്നു. എന്നാലും അതിനെല്ലാം ജീസനൊരു നല്ലൊരു സപ്പോർട്ടായിട്ട്, നല്ലൊരു ഭാര്യയായിട്ട്, കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾക്കൊരു നല്ലൊരു അമ്മയായിട്ടും ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് നല്ലൊരു മരുമകളായിട്ടും നീ നിന്നതിന് ദൈവം നിന്നെ അനുഗ്രഹിച്ച. ഈ ദിവസം മാത്രമല്ല, എന്നും നീ ഞങ്ങൾക്കൊരു മോളായിട്ട് തന്നെ നിൽക്കണമെന്ന് ഞങ്ങളുടെ പപ്പയുടെയും മമ്മിയുടെയും ആൻറ്റിയുടെയും സുരേഷ് അങ്കിളുടെ എല്ലാവരുടെയും ഫാമിലി മുഴുവനുള്ള ഒരു ബ്ലെസ്സിങ് ഞാൻ നിന്നെ അറിയിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. നിങ്ങൾ സന്തോഷമായിട്ട് ജീവിക്കണം. ഗോഡ് ബ്ലെസ് യു മോനെ. എല്ലാവരും 100 വയസ്സെന്ന് പറയും. പപ്പ വന്നിട്ട് 104 വയസ്സ് വരെ നീ ജീവിച്ചിരിക്കണമെന്ന്.
Happy birthday, Sheena. May God bless you with good health and happiness. Be blessed always. I also wanted to tell something about you, but already Shobha has told everything. So nothing more else to say. Always you're cute. Be happy, and you're a good daughter-in-law to your family. We all love you.
Happy birthday, Sheena Chechi. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Sheena Chechi. You're probably the most youngest 40-year-old I've ever seen. I hope we have something common in our DNA when it comes to that. Yeah, when Jason Achim messaged telling me it's your 40th birthday, I was like, what? No way, she's not 40. And then I was like, oh wait, the numbers make sense, but the looks don't. I really hope we have something common when it comes to that. But yeah, from the looks of it, it doesn't. But never mind. Yeah, I really miss you guys sometimes. You know, when I think of the evening walks, the drive, the food, especially the random stuff we used to talk every time. I really miss those conversations. I miss you a lot, Chechi. I just hope that I see you soon or later, given the circumstances. No one can really say what's gonna happen, but I really hope I come back again. I miss you. I love you so much, Chechi. I hope you have the best birthday. Stay safe.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sheena. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear. Happy birthday, dear Sheena. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Sheen auntie. Happy birthday, Veli mummy. God bless you.
Hi, Sheena. Wish you many more happy returns of the day on your birthday. I met you first, I think, when I had come to Bhopal to solve the Tom and Jerry problem. affection what you have shown towards us. And the most thing what I really want to tell you is I want to tell that God bless you and your family so much, the way you take care of others. Just
We had come to Gundabal for Vinny's wedding. There was a discussion and we had put a request of taking Monty and Prasanna. But the initiative what you took and solved it within a matter of 3 months, and you and Jason, I can never forget in my life. And the
this
luckiest
part is my son and Prasanna have a best Didi for them in their life. So more, I love you and I pray to
God to see that you and your family live happily.
forever and ever. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Sheena. Love you, Molo. God bless you.
Have a wonderful, happy and healthy birthday today and forever. God bless you, Sina.
Happy birthday, Sheena.
Happy birthday, Sina auntie.
Happy birthday, Sina. God bless you and your family, my girl. We love you all.
Happy birthday, Sheena Chechi.
Happy birthday, Sina Chechi.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sheena Chechi. Love you.
Many returns of the day, Shina.
ഐസിനേരി അടിപൊളി ജന്മദിന ശംശകാக உண்டாகட்டு நல்ல ദിവസமானும் அதே ஒரு நல்ல வருஷமாக உண்டாகட்டு நீங்கள் சொப்னம் வள்ளி வெளிதாக உண்டாகட்டு ஆயுள் ஆரோக்கியம் உண்டாகட்டு have a blasting birthday Sinari and let this day and this year let it be wonderful and let your dreams all become true and have a great day Sinari.
How are you? Happy birthday, Mole. Have a sweet day. ഡെയിലി എനിക്ക് വന്ന് ഒരു മോള് കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. എനിക്ക് വളരെ സന്തോഷമാണ് മോളെ. നിന്റെ കടവുളെ നിന്റെ മോളെ ദൈവം നല്ല അനുഗ്രഹിക്കട്ടെ. God bless you. Have a nice day. Have a wonderful year. Enjoy your day, Mole. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Bye, Mole. Umma. Have a nice day. God bless you. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Sheena. God bless you. I pray to God that your family should be blessed always and enjoy birthday.
Hi Sina, wish you a very happy 40th birthday. May God bless you and your family and give you all the happiness in life. God bless.
Happy birthday, beautiful. God bless you. Many more years to come. And love the way you are, Sina. You're such a wonderful, warm person I have met so far. And you're a strong person as well, what I have come across. And you're a beautiful mother of 2. And you stay blessed, dear. Have a wonderful, blessed year ahead. We love you all. Miss you.
सीना, जब मुझे ये मालूम चला कि तेरा 40th बर्थडे आ रहा है तो एक चीज़ जो दिमाग में आई वो है कि यू डोंट लुक अ डे ओल्डर देन 21st. लेकिन बड़ा क्लीशेड लाइन है और मेरा भाई हमेशा ये बोलता होगा या तो बुलवाती होगी उससे, लाइन बोलो नहीं है तो मुर्गा बनो. मैं वो रिपीट नहीं करूँगा. Divide humanity into dreamers and doers, you definitely would fall in the doers category. I've seen you work very hard और उसके बाद जिस टाइप से you take care the kitchen, you take care the kitchen, you take care the kitchen and possibly now even the kids and Jason. और इन सब के बाद में you are left with energy to party hard as well. So all these combinations will definitely keep you in good stead always. तो और ज़्यादा मैं पकाता नहीं हूँ. Have a great 40th birthday. God bless you. And हम लोग जो फिज़िकली पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर पाएंगे इन द फेस्टिविटीज़, हम लोग को जलाने के लिए थोड़े से वीडियोस और फोटोज़ ज़रूर अपलोड कर दियो इन WhatsApp. Have a great birthday.
When Ashish said that you're turning 40, I said, what? You don't look 40 at all. I still remember all those fun, beautiful times we had in Dubai. I just loved it. And still, it's a part of our life, which I will never forget. Thank you for being you, Sina. You're always such a grounded and lovely and beautiful person. And I've always enjoyed your company. Life has taken a full circle for you now with the 2 kids and Jason. And you must be totally busy. God bless you, Sina. Wishing you many, many more fruitful years ahead. And God bless. Take care. Bye.
Hi, Sina Chechi. Okay. I'll share a memory I have with you. So, when I came for your wedding, after the wedding, when we all were together, all the children were playing that chit game, that chit passing game, Raja Rani Police Donga. You joined us and you got so many chocolates. As per the game rule, Raja, the king who wins, will be getting the chocolate. But you changed the game rule and you were giving all the chocolates to Donga, that is thief. I don't know why you like that name so much. That was indeed a sweet memory. We all went back home with so many chocolates. And this is your 40th birthday. You don't look so... You are so young and beautiful. Have a great birthday. Happy birthday, Chechi.
Hi, Chechi. Very happy birthday. You're very special to all of us. Thank you for everything that you have done, and grateful forever.
हाय सीना, याद है जब तू आने वाली थी दुबई में, हम लोग सारे जन, हमारे दोस्त लोग और जिसन के सब दोस्त लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड थे कैसे कैसे करे करके। तो जिसन ने तो बोल दिया था कि मुझे अच्छा हो गया था कि मेरा अच्छा हो गया था एक्चुअली, कि खाने का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, रोज खाना मिलता था। तो उससे भी नहीं मिला था मैं, तो उससे मिलने भी हुआ था। उसके बाद तू वापस सिंगापुर में आई, तभी जीसन को बहुत मिस किया, बट एक था कि इनाया को मिला, सो इट वाज लाइक वेरी नाइस। इट वाज so wish you many happy returns of the day, and I wish you all the happiness. God bless with you with that, so thank you.
हाय सीना, विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। 40 इयर्स की हो गई हो मैडम, और फिर भी बहुत हॉट, बहुत सेक्सी, बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगती हो आज भी। कोई नहीं कह सकता कि 2 बच्चों की अम्मा हो गई हो। सीना के बारे में बहुत सारी यादें हैं। हमने सेंट जूड में कई साल साथ में पढ़ाई करी, स्कूलिंग करी मतलब, और सीना ने पहली बार मुझे एगिटेरियन बनाया, नॉन वेजिटेरियन भी कह सकते हैं। मेरे पूरे खानदान में कभी किसी ने अंडा नहीं खाया था, सीना के साथ पहली बार ऑमलेट खाना सीखा। डोसा खाना चाहिए था तो सीना के घर भागते थे, क्रिसमस मनाना होता तो सीना के घर भागते थे। हम बैक बेंचर्स थे, कुछ भी नोट्स, कुछ भी पढ़ाई से रिलेटेड चाहिए होता तो सीना के घर भागते थे। सीना ने हमेशा बहुत हेल्प करी, और जब मैं भोपाल पहुंची तो सिर्फ सीना को जानती थी, और सीना ने मुझे अपने घर में 8 दिन के लिए रखा, खिलाया पिलाया, आंटी की खूब डांटें खाई, सुदीप का पागलपन सहन किया, और बहुत हेल्प, बहुत सपोर्ट किया। जसन भी उसमें इंक्लूडेड है टोटली। जसन ने भी बहुत हेल्प करी, घर ढूंढने में, जॉब ढूंढने में, एवरीथिंग। मैं किसी को नहीं जानती थी, सिर्फ जसन और सीना ही मेरी फैमिली थे। मैं ये सब कभी नहीं भूल सकती सीना। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर एवरीथिंग। सो लव यू, लॉट्स ऑफ बेस्ट ऑफ लक, लॉट्स ऑफ लव, एवरीथिंग टू यू एंड योर 2 kids एंड जसन। हम हमेशा अच्छे फ्रेंड्स रहेंगे। वेन एवर यू फील लाइक, जस्ट कॉल, आई विल बी ऑलवेज देयर। लव यू, टेक केयर।
Happy birthday, Sina! Wishing you all the happiness throughout the year.
Wish you a good luck.
And have a wonderful year ahead. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sina auntie.
Enjoy
your day. Happy birthday,
auntie.
Auntie.
Sina auntie.
Sina auntie.
All the very best. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy your day.
Enjoy
and have fun.
Bye.
See you soon. Bye.
Hi Sina, happy birthday. Welcome to your 40s. 40s are goldies, believe me. I wish you will enjoy these awesome ages. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sina. Happy birthday to you. Yalla sakrillah.
Happy birthday Sina Chichi.
Happy birthday to you. Say happy birthday.
Hi Cinnamon, wish you a very happy birthday. Lots of love, lots of prayers and blessings, and lots of good wishes for a blessed life now and forever. Love you all. Take care. God bless.
Hi Cinnamon. Happy birthday, Mon.
Hi Sina, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sina Mama.
सीना क्या बात है 40 साल की हो गई आज सबको बोल खेल आज जिंदगी 40 में से चालू होता है करके एंजॉय योर डे हैव फन
This is for you.
जीना देख जीना ने तेरे लिए स्पेशल केक बनाया हुआ है एनीवे हम वहां पे आके सेलिब्रेट नहीं कर सकते हैं सो वी विल सेलिब्रेट हियर ओके हैव अ ग्रेट डे
Hi Sina, welcome to the 40s club. You're still getting there, you're soon getting there to the Amachis club. So have an awesome birthday. God bless you Sina, love you lots. Mwah.
Hey, happy 40th birthday. God bless you, love. So nice to know someone like you. Have a wonderful day. Have fun. I'm sure Jess is going to pamper you. And hopefully when all this is over, we should be able to party. Love you, Scene. Have a great 40th. Mwah. Bye.
Hi Sina, happy birthday. I know you don't like to be called 40, but unfortunately you are what it reads. Look who's old. Anyway, have a great day, Sina. We love you so much. You're such a wonderful person. Couldn't ask for a better friend. Always there, always asking about people, asking whether we need anything. You're just fantastic, Sina. We love you so much. Have a lovely day. I'm sure Jason is going to give you a fantastic day. And like Fabe said, once the COVID's done, we can't wait to party with you. Bye, Sina. Love you.
Bye.
Hey Sina,
happy birthday.
Welcome to the youth of old age, and I will just say that this year would be such a great year for you, a new milestone that you've reached, and surely just the kind of heart that you have, a very generous person. I just pray that God will cause through your life to multiply the generosity in your life to touch many lives, and we love you so much.
Yes, we love you so much, Sina. You definitely are a very generous person. Amazing host as couples. You know how you guys, handle things, and it's amazing. So we celebrate you guys. We celebrate you. 40 is definitely fabulous, Sina girl. So welcome to the 40s. It's beautiful. Life just begins, and experiences are just going to be even more beautiful. So we pray the best over you, okay?
Yeah.
So God bless you.
And many more years to come. Greater things
Yes.
are yet to happen through your life to be a blessing to many others. So happy 40th.
Happy 40th.
Happy birthday once again.
Happy
birthday, Sina. God bless you. Some of our funnest memories in Dubai are with you. Thank you for being this really cool friend, for being spontaneous with everything that you do, for your hospitality, your kindness, for always opening out your house to us. We truly treasure your friendship. Wish you a great year ahead, and a lot more fun when all this opens out. We should do one of those epic birthday bashes.
So yeah, so if I had to think of a memory, the standout memory that comes out is Fabian's birthday, and I think I know you know what I'm talking about. But happy birthday, Sina. Like Dave said, thank you so much for your hospitality and your friendship and your generosity. You guys are great. So happy birthday. May this be an awesome one. God bless you. God pour his favor over you.
Hey Sina, happy 40th. I know you're going to rock 40 like a rock star. Welcome to the club. It's a great place to be. Okay, so I'm going to share a very fond memory or a very vivid memory of Sina that I remember. Is your first testimony, Sina. If I know you remember and you know the details of it. I'm not going to say too many details, but it is about how God miraculously saved Jason when he met him with an accident, and all those little tiny details, you know what I'm talking about. It was so hilarious. It was a fun testimony that most of us who were in church will never forget because of the details related to it. And that was my first introduction to Sina. And you were innocent, you were cute. There was such a childish innocence about you that I love even today. And something about you as a mom, and I really admire you. I look up to you for that one thing, is that you're very intentional as a mom. I've seen how, especially in these times, when Josh has gone on to e-learning, how you multitask your work and how you are observant with his studies. Also promoting his extracurricular with origami. You're very intentional with the time he spends on a digital or a gadget or a TV. Those are things that I have made a mental note, and I've said this mom is a very intentional mom. So very well done. And also with your home, my God, this is a testimony for both you and Jason. Both of you are exceptionally hospitable. I've always felt very warm, you know, just very welcome coming to your home. And my kids have fond memories of staying there over in your home, and thank you for making it a really welcome space and for loving on my family. Now I bless you with God's choicest. This is going to be your best year, and the best is yet to come, Sina. So 40 is a huge milestone, and I pray this Psalm 69 over you, where he says, your year is crowned with goodness, it's dripping, and your wagon tracks are going to be overflowing with abundance. You know, that is what I want to leave you with, that kind of blessing, which is like, can you imagine your wagon tracks overflowing with abundance? So I bless you with that blessing. And like I said, welcome to the club, and I have no doubts that you will rock 40 like a rock.
It's quite bold.
She's very pretty,
She's tough.
but very gentle and kind.
Who are you talking about?
Sina,
You know that she's turning 40?
but she'll never grow old.
Happy birthday, Sina. God bless you.
May he keep you in good health. May he fill you with his joy and peace.
May you be a blessing for many more. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We love you. God bless.
40th Sina. फिर से बोल दो, ऐसा कुछ बोलिए. सुबह, look here.
1, 2, 3, start.
Happy 40th Sina. Happy birthday. बोलो. मैं क्या बोलूँ यार, मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा.
Sina, your best gift on your 40th birthday. Ta-da! She's not even 40 days old, 30 days old today. But I know how much you were waiting for us to have a kid. And, you know, you were our biggest supporter. And, you know, you've been the happiest to have Amy around. We know that as well. And wish if COVID wasn't here, you know, you could come over and visit her soon. Hopefully that will happen. But I hope you're having a fab day today, Sina. I'm sure Jason has some, you know, surprises in store for you, even with all the restrictions. But I was just like making this video, I was thinking back to, you know, my earliest memories of you in Bank Colony, where we all met as friends, you know, some 25 years ago, Sina. And, you know, what a journey it's been with you, you know, like knowing you as a friend. And we weren't the closest back then, but, you know, we had so many friendships together. We celebrated all our birthdays and all the milestones together as well. Why are you rolling your eyes? But we had so much fun, and you know, it's been
it's been so nice to get to know you over the years, you know, especially in the last 10-15 years since we've all been together as a family, and to have our trips together, whether that was when we came to Dubai, you guys came to Australia, or we went, you know, to other places, even Kerala recently. You are so much fun to be around, you know, very chilled. You and Jason both are, you know, great people you can travel with, hang out with, have fun. You know, you love food, you love your travel, you love, you know, your family as well. And it's been so nice to see you and, you know, grow into this beautiful family. You have so much fun with your kids, you love your life, and you're always full of gratitude, you know, and you're so passionate about everything, Seena. So love you lots. There's a lot that, you know, I learned from you, and you know, you keep this family together as well. And I'm talking about Mummy, Papa, Sudeep and you know, you keep them all together and connected in your own ways. So lots and lots of love for you, and lots of wishes for the next 40 years.
Happy birthday, Seena. What do I say? We had such a memorable childhood together. All those days when we, you know, used to play around. I still remember the days when you could ride your cycle with one hand and I couldn't, and I was so jealous of you. Or the day when you ran after this small kid who threw a stone at me. And
she was the
she was, you know, you were kind of the bigger sister for me all the time. Really love you so much. I know I was such a miserable teenage brother.
You both feel that way, it's funny.
Yeah, but I wish we could spend more time during our teenage days. But I'm so happy you grew up to be such a strong woman.
Because you beat her up so much during the childhood.
I'm so glad you're such a strong lady. Yeah, just can't imagine how you grew up to be such a strong person with 2 kids, managing everything. Yeah, I'm absolutely, really happy. I just want you to grow up into an Ammachi. With more grad kids. Yeah, so happy 40th birthday, and I love you so much. You've always been on my side all the time. Thank you so much, and happy 40th again. Hope you have a wonderful time. There'll be messages from everyone, I hope. Have a wonderful time.
Happy birthday from Imi and Simbi as well.
Simbi.
Simba, say happy birthday to Seena. Hello.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Seena. Happy birthday. Yes. Love you, Seena. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Enjoy your day.
Enjoy your day.
Bye.
Bye.